Let's first compare it with some of the more popular wearable bands out there. I mean, if you notice, we're comparing it with some of the other popular ones like a Fitbit Charge 2 or a Garmin Vivo Smart. Across all parameters, they all stack up somewhat similar. I mean, the display is OLED, the screen size is about 0.78, somewhere thereabouts. Water resistance is there, some of the other things as well. The silicone snapping is somewhat similar. Of course, where Mi Band stands out by a huge margin is that it comes with an up to 20-day battery life. This is just hard to find in any of the fitness bands out there. Of course, what do these other devices sell for in the market? Roughly at about 10,000 thereabouts. That's the price of some of these products. And here you have Mi Band 3 that gives all of that with the enhanced battery life. What do you think the price should be now? So the Mi Band 3